Hello, welcome back. Welcome to week 3 of social studies, learning about ancient Maya people. Our learning target today is I can describe Mayan writing, numbers, and calendars. Let's get started. The Maya people did not have one big government. So here in the United States, one government. The president, he is the government. The Maya people were not like America today. They did not have one president or one king. They had many different cities that all had their own government. These cities worked together and lived at peace most of the time. So, all of these cities, they're all Maya people, but they all have different government. They all have a king. We call this type of civilization city-states. City-states are cities and the area around them that are all one people but do not have the same king. So all of the Maya people are the same, all Maya people, but they have different places that they live and they have different kings. Each city-state had a different king, nobles, and commoners. Every city-state got most of its food from farming. The Maya used a form of writing called hieroglyphics. I want you to try that. Hieroglyphics. Their writing looks similar to the ancient Egyptians. Those are different people. But it is actually different. In Mayan hieroglyphics, they used pictures to represent words, sounds, or objects. By putting several pictures together, the Maya wrote sentences and told stories. So here they are. Look at this. This is in stone. So they did not have pencil and pen and write on paper. No, this is in rock, in stone. They had to carve it. By putting... Oh, we already read that. Only the priests learned to write and read. They wrote on long sheets of paper made from bark or leather. These sheets were folded up and looked like a book. A Maya book is called a codex. So here they're writing on stone, and sometimes they were writing on big, thick paper. So here's all these signs. I don't know what they mean. What do you think they mean? This one kind of looks like a bird. Maybe it means bird. This one looks like a heart. This one looks like a hand. See that one? These two right here, they look like hands. I don't know. I can't read them. The Maya used a different number system than we use today. They did not write numbers like we do. They wrote numbers using a system of bars or lines and dots or circles. A bar represented the number 5. Every 5 numbers, they added another bar. The number 0 was written with a special symbol. So here we have a dot is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then look at number 5. They don't write number 5 like this. 5 is a line. Mayan numbers and words together. I wonder what it says. So look here, we have numbers, and then this is their words, their writing. I can't read it. Here is an example of how Maya people wrote the numbers 1 through 19. The Maya had 2 kinds of calendars, a religious calendar called the Tzolk'in and a solar calendar called the Hab. So solar, they had a calendar about the sun and how the sun moved, and they had one for religious festivals. Every 52 years, the 2 calendars would start on the same day. So 52 years, they had the sun calendar, the Hab, and the religious calendar, Tzolk'in, and they would begin on the same one day every 52 years. They would celebrate the new fire festival on this day, El Fuego Nuevo, my Spanish. All the people would put out their old fires and start new ones. It was time for new things. So here's celebrating the new fire festival. Our next learning target is going to be more about the Mayan people. It's time for you to go to your lesson.